Here's what you need: the latest updates installed and virtualization enabled. Got those? Boom, let's go. Click the search button below and then type Microsoft Store, and there you go. Right here, selected from the best match results. Alright, and from this point here in the Microsoft Store, search for Amazon App Store, and here it is. There you go. So now go ahead and click install to begin installing the Amazon App Store. Now you may also have to sign in to initiate the downloading process, and it takes 5-10 minutes to download, give or take, depending on your internet connection. Now once it is done downloading and installing, it's going to prompt you to restart your PC. So go ahead and do that to finalize the process. So now once your PC has boot back up again and you try to look for it, so let's say for example you click search below and then type Amazon App Store, and there you go, here it is. And if you open it, you have the full-blown Amazon App Store on your Windows 11 PC. And now at this point you can start using your favorite apps. As you can see, it is that simple. For more easy videos like this, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.